Subtracting integers is really just as easy as adding them. In fact, we're going to turn all our subtraction problems into addition. Haley owed $200 on her credit card. She made another purchase of $20. How much does she now owe? This is how the subtraction problem would look. You are already down $200, and now you're down 20 more. The steps to turning this into an addition problem are to keep the first number alone. Change the subtraction sign into addition. And you're allowed to do this because the definition of subtraction is to add the opposite of the second number. So notice the 20 becomes negative 20. In fact, you might have heard this already. Instead of calling this same, we'll call it keep. And a lot of you have learned this in middle school. And it's called the KCO method. Keep, change, opposite. Here's two different ways of looking at the same problem we just talked about. Notice what they're saying. You started your account with negative 200, and then you took away $20 more. Another way of saying it is you started with negative 200 and added more debt. These are identical problems. Let's use the idea of keep, change, opposite in order to change all these subtraction problems into addition problems. Again, remember to always keep the first number the same. You will change the subtraction sign into addition. And then you will make the second number the opposite sign. So this was a positive 15 and now it'll be a negative 15. You're back to the addition rules that you learned in the previous video. You have the same signs, so now you'll add. And you'll get a negative 27. Number 2, your 10 stays the same. You change subtraction into addition by changing the sign and making the second number the opposite sign, which is now a positive 90. So you have 10 plus a positive 90, and that's 100. 25 stays the same. Change subtraction into addition and make this the opposite sign. And go back to your addition rules. They're different signs, so subtract the numbers, getting a 9, and then give it the sign of the larger number. Negative 100 minus 37 becomes negative 100 plus a negative 37. Same signs, add. You try these 4. Pause the video and come back when you're done. Be sure to show some sort of work on here. And here are the answers. And I'll say it again, sometimes your brain can see these answers without working through the formal rules, and that's okay. Go with what's natural to you as long as it works. If you like the number line method or ever need to use it, here's how it works for subtraction. You still start at the first number, which is a negative 5. And you still need to do the opposite of the second number. Subtraction signs generally mean opposite. Negative signs do as well. So you want to take the opposite of the second number. Well, the opposite of the second number is a plus 2. So from your negative 5, you're going to go to the right 2. And so your final answer is a negative 3. Here's one more example. You can pause the video and try it ahead of me. or go ahead and do it along with me. So we have -8 minus a -9. Always start with the first number and plot your point. And this one will mean the opposite of a -9. The opposite of a -9 is a +9, and positive indicates we're going to move to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So your final answer is 1.